So this is a video of my 2000 Porsche Boxster. I posted this to a couple different places, and I forgot to include some interior photos, and thought it might be better just to record a video of this. So the exterior is pretty good. I think it's in decent shape. Just going to sort of do a walk around of the car so you can get an idea. So you can see there on the rear window there's some tape on the window. That's completely sealed. It's fine. It doesn't look great.
It's a seat cover.
A little bit later on in the video I'll show you in the trunk there's a completely new in plastic still canvas cover. So you can just put that on and replace it. I just didn't get around to it. So car works great, starts nicely. This is probably the first time I started it up in a week or two. You'll notice that it has a little bit of a ticking sound. That's completely normal. It's been doing that for the entire time that I've had the car. I think basically it's just it takes about a minute or so to warm up, and then the ticking sound goes away. You'll actually hear that in the video a little bit later on, about the time that I put the top down. Also, the engine sounds a little bit louder because I have the door open. So this is just sort of showing you the interior. As you saw when I got in, the driver's seat has a cover over it. There is a small tear in the seat on the driver's side. So that's something you could potentially go and fix. I just put a seat cover over it. Yeah, so the probably should have had some better lighting in here, but you can see that the interior is in good condition. One of the great things about having a really small car is it's not enough space to get messy, so you kind of have to keep it clean and take care of it. So this is the top of the cover coming off. It's a electric mechanical cover, so basically you just press the button and then it will retract. Same thing for putting it back out. It makes it really easy. The one thing I do want to point out is on the 2010 and later Boxsters, I think it was, might have been, I'm not exactly sure of the year, you could put the top down while the car was in motion as long as you're below 15 miles an hour. That is not the case with this car. You need to be stopped. Parking brake needs to be engaged. And yeah, so this is just sort of showing you probably the decent view of the outside. You can get an idea of the interior. I'm not showing the cover. And then we'll take a look at the trunk. There's two trunks. There's a front trunk as well, or a frunk, which I probably should have recorded, but I don't think I remember to do that in this video. But it's clean. I have the original toolkit that comes with the car there, which includes the tool to change the tire, and then also the tire key. So the bolts on the tire have a special key that you need to go remove them. So, or maybe I do show you. That'd be good. Lights are on here. I would replace the bulbs. They're getting a little bit dimmer, but again, that's a pretty minor issue. Looks a little messy in there. I think that's the box for the battery charger. I don't drive this car very much, which is kind of why I'm getting rid of it. So what I try to do is just plug it in to make sure that the starter battery is charged. So that's the car. It's pretty nice.